Welcome back, guys, to Subway Servers. So today I'm playing Subway Surfers with Pride Yutani on the Dragon Boat board. Let's get started. Last Subway Surfers episode, I unlocked the birdie board, but I want to play with the Dragon Boat board. Okay. And I have double coins already. I don't know how I got them. I just know that I got them for free. Also, guys, I'll make a short. You might see my hair are going to be a little off because today I just got a haircut. I'll make that short after I record this video. Okay, 496, already at 500 coins. I think this is a good start. Dragon boat board activated again. Okay, I kind of like jumped on the obstacle line. I was trying to jump on a train, but I didn't find any train. And yes, my voice is only coming, no game volume again, like I did last episode. I'm doing this for like a couple episodes. If you want the game voice, you can go to my Subway Surfers Changan update video that I made the first time I'm playing Changan update. The first time I played Changan update, you can hear the update music there. But no music today because I think that's how my videos are going to be better. Everyone's like, we are bored. Please talk. I just talk at the beginning and probably in the middle of the run, and sometimes I do some dumb crashes. I mean dumb bumps or crashes, whatever you want to call. If you guys saw my 9 million points with Pride Jake video, my game had some kind of problem. Like I just activated the head starts. I wasn't in the air. I was just going through trains and like walls. I wasn't even picking up like coins. But I actually set my coin record. 28,070 is my new coin record now. And next time I'll beat my high score. I'll probably beat it. And yes, I have the Pride crew, and I somehow got it time. I don't know. I was just like playing with Pride, Spike, Pride Fresh, and like Pride, Jake. I can't even remember the names. I was playing with these 3 Pride characters. I played with them after I recorded the Changan update video, and actually I saw Cybo TV's like Cybo Games, Cybo TV's community post on the update. They said that Tricky, Pride Yutani and Pride Frank would join the crew later. So I just kind of I was just playing with Pride. Spike, Fresh, and who was the other one? Yeah, Jake. Jake, Pride, Spike, and Pride Fresh. I was playing with these characters, and then I got these 3 also. These Pride characters, these other Pride characters. Pride Yutani, Tricky, and Frank. One thing about Frank, he never reveals his face. I have no idea why, but that's okay. Cool. But Pride Frank has a unicorn mask. I've never seen a unicorn in my life, and actually, where I've seen unicorns in cartoons, in like Rudra cartoon, yeah. And I think I saw one in Doraemon. I don't remember. Oh, I was about to crash there. Yay, double jump on an obstacle and jump again. I like that strategy. I think that's the great strategy in Subway Surfers. Okay. Uh, oh my gosh. I was about to say that a train came from there. And wait. Did you guys just saw that? Okay, let me pause for a second. You guys just saw that, right? One train came and went by, and then another train came from the exact lane that the first train came. Yep, that's what it is. I think that happened before. I don't know. If that happened before, you guys can tell me in the comment section. So Pride Yutani is just kind of like Pride Jake. Yeah. But if Pride Yutani has a multiplier, then Pride Yutani would be of like 5 multiplier, considering Yutani doesn't have any multiplier. Pride Yutani, yes. And crashed. Wait, Pride Yutani is like a rainbow. Now, this time I'm going to like click the head start slowly, because in my 9 million points with Pride Jake video, yeah, that weird glitch happened. Yeah, I told you guys before. Dragon board activated. If you guys saw my last Subway Surfers video, yeah, I unlocked the birdie board, which was kind of cool. That's the Subway Surfers Rio update board. I think that update came in like the new year of 2019. I think in the 2018 new year, the Cairo update came. I'm not even at 1 million points, and I already have 5,000 coins. Now I have 1 million points, and now I have more than 5,000 coins. Yep. 1 key. Oh, that's really good. That's really good for my one of those awards. What is it called? Oh, I forgot what that award's called. Yeah, Master of Keys. That's good for that Master of Keys award. And oh my gosh, crashed again. And in the later new characters would come, it would help me unlock them. Well, I have like 85,000 keys. I would probably run out of keys soon. I haven't ran out yet, but I know I'll run out someday. Not today. Today is not that day. Okay. Definitely not that day. I think Subway Surfers has some sort of bug in it. The trains are going through the trains. That doesn't happen in real life. If the trains can't even go through trains. Oh my gosh. I thought I would double jump there. I thought I would be when we see a train going through a train, that's very weird, but that you will be also like, what, how did that happen? That can't happen, because if a train goes through a train, the train crashes through that train. Yes, that's what happens. It's a train crashing. That's how the trains crash. And actually, if they just bump in like an invisible wall, I don't think we have invisible walls in real life. I was just I was just kind of telling about my dream. Okay. I have a lot of coins collected. Double coins really help. Oh, right there I was about to crash if I didn't went in that little tunnel and jumped. Oh my gosh, another key. 2 keys. I have collected a lot of coins. Okay. I see that structure that I haven't never been to China, but I don't know why I'm saying in my videos that I saw that structure, that weird little structure in China. I'm almost kind of saying that. Oh, I almost crashed. I don't know why I'm saying that, but that structure reminds me of China. I've never been to China. I don't even never want to go to China because China made that coronavirus. That's why I hate China. I wish we had an invincible nuke in India, and we can launch that to China. I wish we had it, but we don't. I wish we had it. And yeah, I'm at 72,000 coins collected. 7,000, over 7,000, and oh my gosh, I've already almost collected 2 million coins. Yep, 2 million points. You guys would also be like, what? What? How did you collect these many coins if it says that you have collected 7,000 coins, 7,500 coins. I said it wrong. I was wrong. Sometimes I don't speak that well. Oh my gosh. I always get notifications. I'll watch that video after I record this video because I watch these YouTubers. So today's goal is to collect 12,000 coins, score 2.5 million, no, 3 million points. I said 12,000, I'm already at 8,000. And more than halfway to 3 million points. Yep, that's what it is. I'll reduce that to 10,000 coins. Yep, I'm reducing that. And in the run, I'm going to score. My plan is I want to score 2 million points. Sometimes I always said, I said it. Sometimes I don't speak that well. Head starts are going to help. And if I score over, if I score over 2 million, that's okay. That would be also wonderful. That would also kind of help me to reach 3 million points. Yep. Sometimes I struggle while making videos. Sometimes I just say random stuff, sometimes I would say I've collected 2 million coins and I collected 7,500 coins that when I said that in this episode. Actually, I'm not at 8,000 anymore. I'm at 9,000. Oh my gosh, double coins really help. Jetpack. I'm going to get double the coins that I get in the jetpack, but I don't have a magnet, so I'm not going to collect all of them. Yeah. Let's see if I can get 9,500 in this single jetpack. You know what? I'm changing that to 9600. Here we go, 9600 and 2 million points. I thought I'm going to get 9700, but yeah, I got 9700. Look, I'm at 9700. Actually, that's a lie. Oh, I almost crashed there, and I almost crashed there. Oh my gosh. That was really close though. 10,000 coins, and I have been recording. Oh my gosh. Whoever made this, I covered my body with tattoos. It looks kind of horrible. 15 minutes. There we go. There we go. 10.1 thousand. I wasn't able to pick up that jetpack in the right time. This is kind of like a 15 minutes live stream if Sabo TV had double coins, Sabo Games, Sabo TV had double coins in their live stream. That's what they have done if they were live streaming with Pride Yutani. They were using the Dragon Boat board, and they had double coins just like I have double coins. Before I didn't have them, but now I have them. And yeah, I like free stuff in this game. And I also love the animation where it says oh my gosh, I love the animation where it says new high score. I love that animation. How I think this is a bug. You guys saw I was like Pride Yutani had like a jetpack on her, and I picked up the super sneakers. I'll call it super sneaks for short. I picked up those super sneaks, and I was like bouncing in the air, like we do on the ground when we pick up those super sneaks, like just like that. Also, I'm at 11,000. I was doing that while I was on a jetpack. I was doing this while I was on a jetpack. I didn't mean to use that hoverboard there, but sure, I'll take it. When all of my power-ups run out, I'll crash. Yep, I'll crash. Probably going to be the kind of like the short video. This is going to be a short video. Oh, that was a close one there. I got those super sneaks. I'll wait until these super sneaks run out. I don't know why I'm saying ran out. They will run out, and I picked more super sneaks. Oh, I didn't saw that jetpack there, and I was almost about to run into it, just like that one. Alright, now I ran out of all my power-ups almost. Right as I say that, I got another. I got more super sneaks. Oh, I got the two times multiplier. Oh, great. Now I need to wait until all these power-ups run out. Great. Very good. Not really. I'm not picking up that magnet. And I'm at 12,000 coins. There we go. I ran out of super sneaks. You know what? I'll try to score 2.5 million points in the run. While I need to score like 30,000 points without collecting any power-ups. And now I have to wait. And I crashed. You're not telling this one. Key! One key! That's very good. Oh my gosh! Two keys! Two keys! That's very good. Very good. That's very great. Great. Did that make sense? Let me know. Okay. I've been recording for 20 minutes. So, I don't know what is like Yutani doing? And she has like purple thing on her eye. 3 million, okay. She has like purple like things on her eye. Next episode I'll play with Pride. Tricky, then Pride Frank, then Pride Spike, and then Pride Fresh. That's the whole Pride crew episodes in Subway Surfers. And I need 298 coins. I can get 66.8 million coins. I'll do that after I record this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button as always. Hit the subscriber button if you guys are new. Help me reach 30 subscribers so I can reveal my secret base in Minecraft that I made and I completed it today. I started working on it today and I completed it today. So always thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. And hit the notification bell. And I will see all of you in the next video again. Bye. Thank you for watching.